Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to go over dollar days starting May 21st. We're a few days away. Current dollar days are still going on, but we'll go over the new ones coming up starting May 21st. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, supporting the channel, hyping the video. And let's go ahead and just jump in. Again, these are starting the 21st, going through June 3rd. We have Greenwood, 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch. Hose Mender, $1. Your choice of female hose or male hose. Be careful, 49% off. Chicago Electric Power Tools Heat Shrink Tubing Assortment, 9-piece, $1. Normally $3. 66% off. Seems like, were they always $3? Seems like the price went up, but still $1 for dollar days. Jumbo Bike Utility Hook, $1. Normally $2, 49% off. With Pittsburgh Spring Clamp Set, 6-piece, great for crisps, great for chips, great for hanging hats, great for keeping cereal fresh. Used in the dishwasher. If you're afraid of them getting loose in the dishwasher, unique use. Lake Michigan fishing rods. You get the picture. Great clamps. Great price, $1. The 6-inch Torpedo level with magnetic strip from Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty, $2. Only 19% off, a little bit low for dollar days. Normally $2.49. The Hallmaster Vehicle Mount Rubber Tool Clamp, $2, 33% off. Easily mount and transport up to 25 pounds of equipment with this tool clamp. Works great to secure trash bins so they don't blow away if you live in a windy area. Great use. Awesome tool mount. Mounted a small shovel in my trunk, up and out of the way. I drive for Uber, get stuck on the road. Hold down for Harbor Freight tailgate ladder. I wanted to add a shovel to my truck, but didn't want to bang it around in the bed. These work great. The bigger the handle, the better. Well done. Good use. Great tool hangers. I'm loving it. Simple solution for storing long tools. Perfect for storing trimmer. 33% off. Pick up a couple of these. Help organize your garage or truck. Rare earth magnets. 10-pack, $2. 33% off. Magnets are always fun. Lightweight, super strong magnets for variety of projects. Smaller than a penny. Guess the tube is too big. Super strong for their size. Great magnets. These are great, extremely small, but easily hold large markers on a whiteboard. This is exactly what I would do with them. Great magnets. Soft jaws for my vise. Drilled shallow 5/16 hole in them. These are super strong for their size. Use quite a lot of these Neo button magnets in my prototypes and usually get them online. These 10-inch pliers weighed about 15.1 ounces and looks like it's holding up. Great for woodworking projects. eBay and Amazon pricing not even close. Well, back in 2020. Magnets, $2, 33% off. Pittsburgh, 3/8 inch, 10-foot protective wire wrap, $3, 24% off. Centech, 6 and 12-volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead, $3. Normally $5, 39% off. The Storehouse L-shaped hang all 2-pack notch cord, $3. Normally $5, 39% off. The 4-inch brass garden hose nozzle, $3. Normally $5. 39% off. 1/4-inch steel industrial coupler, female or male, $3, 24% off. The Hardy nitrile dipped water resistant gloves, $3, 24% off. Ranger's nuisance dust masks, 10-pack, $3. Normally $5, 39% off compared to Stanley. Bauer 6-inch PSA sanding disc, 5-pack at $4. Normally $6.49, 38% off. Option of aluminum oxide grain, 600 and 800 grit, or zirconia alumina grain, 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 220, 320, 400 grit. Yeah, the 100-foot 0.065-inch string trimmer line, $4. Crazy price for some string trimmer. I think I spent $30 on a Milwaukee string. Normally $6, 33% off. I will look into this further just for my own sake. $6 normally. Multi-sided string trimmer line for cutting thick weeds. Anybody use this? HARBRO's used the string trimmer line from Harbor Freight. Has decent reviews, 93%. Best weed eater string line. It lasts very good, works great. Highly recommend people to buy it. Very good lightweight line. Purchased the Bauer 20-volt string trimmer for its lightweight and reputation. Also purchased a package of 65-gauge replacement line for it today. I had the chance to try it out for the first time. It's the same line that comes with the trimmer, but I paid extra attention to the performance, and I can say it cuts a clean line when edging. Recommend both products. Very good and lightweight. I wish there was more pictures. I can't believe I spent $30 I want to say on 100 feet of Milwaukee trimmer line. That's nuts. Could have gotten almost 1,000 feet. Pittsburgh 3/8" drive hex sockets at 6-piece, $5. Normally $9, 44% off. Choice of SAE or metric. Nylon pry bar from Pittsburgh installer kit, 4-piece, $5. Normally $8.49, 41% off. Warrior diamond point rotary bit set, 20-piece, $5, 37% off. Chicago Electric premium welding gloves, $6. Normally $7.29, 17% off. The brand new Ultra Plush Edgeless Microfiber Towels 12-pack. This will be going on during the parking lot sale. It's going to be 40% off for all Grant's products in the parking lot sale, but just 36% is pretty close. You can tomato, get these early at this discount is really good. $7, normally $11. We have the McGuire's 64-ounce crystal deep crystal car wash, $7. Normally $9, 22% off. Spectrum 20-ounce universal paint system refill kit, 10-pack, 33% off, down to $8, normally $12. And the Pittsburgh Pro Alert lifetime warranty, 3/8" drive, 17-inch breaker bar, $9, 30% off, normally $13. Pittsburgh Pro always bringing the extreme value, 4.5 stars out of 5, 92%. Good price, but when I was trying to break up the 15/6 nut, complete garbage. Breaker bar was everything I needed. 2006 Kia Sportage, snapped instantly, broke instantly. Be safe out there. Great breaker bar. Needed to get my rear differential fill and drain plug. Tool broke. Tool just broke. I expected more. Complete garbage. Works, used plenty of times, and works as it should. No regrets. Precision quality, strong and comfortable to use. This says icon. It's very misleading. Have we seen this before? No regrets, no regrets, no regrets. 6 months use every day. Got my money out of it, had it for 6 months, used it every day, and finally just broke. A lot of surprising. There's a lot of pictures that showed it breaking, but it is lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty guaranteed for the tool to be free from defects and material workmanship for the life of the product. Limitations apply. But there you have it. Purchase with caution, 30% off at $9 for a breaker bar. I mean, if you're going to break something, at least you'll be able to get the lifetime warranty on it. Not terrible for $9. Let me know what you think. But those are the dollar days. We got some decent ones. Of course, parking lot sale is coming up. I'm super excited about the string trimmer. I need to try that out. Never spent $30 again on a string trimmer. And I like me some micro spring clamp set, 6-piece. Let me know what the HARBROs think. Don't forget, free bucket weekend. Well, how many buckets have you picked up? How many are you gonna pick up? Free with any purchase. Get your bag, get your pencil, get your blade, and then Memorial Day, 10% for everyone, 20% for everybody else. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.